Good afternoon class. Today we discuss a new chapter, diseases, of your GK book. What do you understand by disease? Disease refer to an illness or disorder of the body. Disease refer to an illness or disorder of the body or the mind. Some diseases are caused by infections while other may be caused due to improper functioning of some body parts. Some diseases are caused by infection while other may be caused due to improper functioning of some body parts. Read the clue given below and choose the correct option. A condition in which a person reacts in a hypersensitive manner to any substance. A condition in which a person reacts in a hypersensitive manner to any substance is known as allergy. Allergy is the correct option. Now, next one is abnormal growth of cells often resulting in a malignant tumor. Now, abnormal growth of cells often resulting in a malignant tumor. So, this is known as cancer. Now, next one is an infection which can permanently damage the liver. An infection which can permanently damage the liver is known as hepatitis. Now, next one, deficiency of red blood cells in the blood causing one to look pale and weak. So this disease is known as anemia. Understand? Now another one is a disease caused by a virus. Called HIV. It affects the body's immune system in such a way that the victim is unable to fight off infection and diseases. So this disease is known as AIDS. This is a symbol to represent the disease AIDS. It is a symbol to represent a disease AIDS. Red mark, red cross. Now, inability or difficulty in reading due to brain disease. Inability or difficulty in reading due to brain disease is known as dyslexia. Now, another one, chronic chest disease marked by difficulty in breathing. Called asthma. Now next one, nervous disease causing a person to fall unconscious, often with violent involuntary movements. Are known as epilepsy. Now next one is disease of the pancreas, in which the disease of the pancreas in which sugar and starchy food cannot be properly absorbed. So this disease is known as diabetes. Next one is skin disease that form scales on the skin and causes local insensibility to pain, etc., and the loss of finger and toes. So this disease is known as leprosy. Thank you, class.